Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Crochet and Craft House. In this video we will make tulip flower bracelet. First of all, we will make tulips in different colors. We will use light colors. First of all, make chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Skip one chain and make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For the second row, make chain 1, turn your work and make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make more 10 rows using this pattern. Here you can see we have completed our 12th row. Now we will join the both sides with a single crochet. Make single crochet with both sides. Now cut the yarn here. Now turn your work at the right side. And make the shape of tulip flower like this. This is the lower side of our flower. Now fill the flower slightly. With polyester filling. Now we will make the upper side of the flower. Cut the extra yarn and make the shape of tulip flower. I have already made 5 flowers. Now we will join them with strap and long leaves. Now we will make the strap at the back side of flower, make chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make 2 slip stitches from the second chain from the hook into the second chain from the hook and single crochet into the rest of the chain stitches. Join it at the center and make chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will join the second flower from the back side at any corner with a single crochet. Again we will make chain 8 and 2 slip stitches into second chain from the hook and single crochet into rest of stitches of the chain. Again make a single crochet and chain 6. Join all tulip flowers using this method at one side, then we will back to the other side. As you can see, we have joined our leaves with strap at one side. Now we will return at the other side. Make chain 1 and 1 single crochet to the other side. Again chain 8, 2 slip stitches and 5 single crochet. Make sure that join each leaf of the other side should be at the parallel of first leaf. Again make chain 6 and join here with the single crochet. Again make the leaf like this and repeat it till the end of the tulip flower. As you can see that we have joined our leaves and straps. Now we will close it. Make chain 1 and slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Now we will adjust the leaves. Adjust all the leaves with hot glue gun. In this position. Adjust all leaves using this method. As you can see, we have adjusted our all leaves and flowers with hot glue gun. Now we will make step with chain 20. Or 20, we will make chain 20 or 25. Now we will make slip stitch into each stitch. At the end of the starting stitch. We will close our chain here with slip stitch and cut the yarn and then hide the yarn extra loop into the flower and make one more strip here at the end of this gap. As you can see, both steps of our bracelets are completed. Now it is ready to wear. Take care of yourself and your family.